Hello guys! Kumusta? Good afternoon to all and everyone! How are you today guys? I hope you have a good day and keep safe! Keep safe everywhere, wherever you are. So yun lang guys, ingat kayo, may kunting kasi umulan-ulan ng panahon natin naman guys. Ayun, bumagsak naman ang ulan natin padahan-dahan. Yun guys, nakikita nyo, makulimlim na tayo. Ayun, hala, lumabas yung mga maliit kong maliit lang na, ayun, ako, mga chiki-chicks ko. Lumabas. Ayun, hala. Sige, pinakain ko na sila guys. Inano ko na sila sa bahay nila, lumabas sila, tapos umulan pa. The raining is coming and then they will go out. So, mababasa talaga sila ngayon. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys.